Commit your work to the Lord, and your plans will succeed. Proverbs 16, verse 3. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are outside, honey. My walls are super dirty, and we're just gonna paint them. So, before that, welcome, guys, to my channel. I'm your girl, Mphendla Bolokwe. I'm also a YouTuber from Botswana, and welcome. If you are stumbling on this video for the first time, please don't hesitate to subscribe so that you can always see my notifications once I post, and you're welcome to the family. We are on our way to 300 subbies, and it's so exciting. So here, guys, we're outside, and my entryway is filthy dirty. My dogs scratched on my door, and my daughter is always touching on the walls. So we're just trying to make it clean and prepare for the festive season and get on to the holiday mood. So yeah, we're brushing off the dirt, and guys, the outcome was really nice. I wanted to do it myself and cut out on costs because it's quite expensive to buy paint and also hire somebody to do the work for you. So my boyfriend assisted, my daughter also helped there. As you can see, we're going through the wall together, and let me tell you, she was so excited. Summer was so excited. She didn't want to give anybody a chance, but anything that gives me more time with her, I am down to it, because during the week, guys, we are so busy with work. You come from work and you're tired. So yeah, from here we painted the walls white, and we're left with the door. I had to go back to Builder's Warehouse to get a different kind of paint because I got a wood finish paint. And apparently this door is metal. And tell me if this door it doesn't look like wood. To me, it really looked like wood, so I had to go back and get the proper paint. So on this vlog, basically, we'll be doing some maintenance of the house. We're gonna go for the Black Friday purchases, and I got some exciting things that you'll see on the vlog. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you later.
When you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, yeah. And it don't change if I had it my way, 'cause you would know that you are. Oh, you're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me?
We then went to Airport Junction, and Samuel always gets her face painting because they're just by the door, by the entrance door. These guys are just too clever. They know that they're going to use a spot where kids pass by, and there's a playground there. I let her play and have fun. So just next to the playground, there is a new restaurant. I don't know how new it is, but it was the first time seeing it. It's called Baccarat. Is it Baccarat? Yeah, Baccarat. Yeah, there's the restaurant, and it seems so cool. And I peeped on other people's orders when I was just outside waiting for Sammy's face paint. The food looked really nice. I have to check this Baccarat place. Then, while I was there, Zoe called me my bestie, my friend. Oh my god, look at her in slow motion, honey. I had to do this to you. She got me flowers and she got me chocolates because I called her that day in the morning and I told her I'm feeling super down. I was just going through something. Thank you, Zoe. Thank you. I love you, girl. Thank you, Sophie.
Mommy, I can open it.
No?
I can open it.
No, it's mine. No, not in the car.
Mommy, I can open it.
Now, please. The Ferraro. Apparently, it's not just for lovers.
Obvious.
It's not just Ferrero.
In my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've given from you yesterday. I always said I wasted this and on you, baby. You don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change. Me a war in my mind. Let it go away. If you was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. All the while, I leave my heart feeling. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good. Living in my mind, only on my fears, my name. I really want to know, can we get together? Get it together. I really want to stay, I really want to know, I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give us something. Baby, I can run all the time. get crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I take a check and put the singer getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick it with a tie. They won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Hit me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side, boo. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend, cause that's who on the low. You don't know, baby, cause when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, yeah. And it don't change if I had it my way, cause you would know that you are home.
From the Black Friday sale, I got a new carpet. This is the old carpet that we've been using. I am not happy with how it was displaying. It was too small for the living room area, and I got something that filled up that space, and I was so happy with it. I got this carpet from Builders Warehouse. I want to show you guys the difference. Like, there's a huge difference, and I love the type of color that I chose. You can see, guys, this is a big difference. That one was too small for my liking, and I'm probably gonna sell it. If it's not being bought, I'll give it to my mom. And I also got this feeding chair for my handsome little boy. I love it so much. I got this feeding chair from Bahumi. I love the dark brown and the little nude cream white finishes. So yeah, this is going to be the end of the video, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. The next day we went to the doctor because my babies were sick. um they were both feverish, and Asha didn't sleep at night. Sammy's been coughing for a while now. I thought it's the new flu, but apparently she had asthma. And I was like, what? So, but it's okay. She was given an asthma pump, and we are treating the issue. She was given a lot of medication. Also, Asha was treated by the pediatrician. So this is going to be the end of the video. See you on the next vloggy vlog. Bye bye.